Welcome back to Python tutorials. I am Venkat. In this video, let us write our first Python program. In the previous video, we have installed the Python framework and PyCharm IDE. So we have also selected to add the desktop icon. So you can see this is a desktop icon. And if you click on your start button, you can see here PyCharm Community Edition installed. You can click any one of this. Okay, let me click on this dashboard icon. It will open the PyCharm IDE. Here you can see the new project. Click on that. So here select pure Python. So select pure Python and give your project name. Python tutorials. And this is the folder in D directory. Python tutorials is the folder. So location, in this location I want to save it. And here you can see three different options. You can select project VNV, or else you can create custom environment also. So when you want to use the existing virtual environment, so you can use the custom environment, or else you can use this one. So here you can select the Python versions, and I want to use this project environment, and let me create this. It is creating the virtual environment now. So now virtual environment is created and the project also created here. So now right click on your project and click on new, and you can add the Python file. So click on new, select Python file and name your Python file welcome code.py. So any name you can give, main.py or first code or welcome code, anything. So you can minimize this virtual environment folder, and this is your welcome code.py. Okay, so this is the area where we can write the Python code. So let us write our first Python code. Print welcome to my first Python program. So that's the line I want to write, and click on execute. Here you can see the green play button. You can click on this file to execute, and the moment it executed, you can see it is written onto this console or terminal window. Welcome to my first Python program, right? So this is the output. And if you want to learn the Python syntax, so normally in other programming languages, semicolon is mandatory. But here the semicolon is not mandatory. So the moment we put the semicolon, it is showing error trailing semicolon in this statement is not required, and it is giving suggestion to remove that. Okay, so putting semicolon is not required in Python. And here we can see welcome to my first Python program. Let us write one more line. Print Python is awesome. Click on execute. We can see 2 lines printed. This is how we can create the Python project, and we can add a new Python file, and we can write few lines of code and execute. So you can click on this green play button, or else you can click on this main menu, and here you can see run, and here also you can select run welcome code.py file. Okay, so or else you can click on this run file, or you can use shift plus F10 shortcut. So now it is executed again. We can see the output. That's it. In the next video, let us continue learning Python. If you feel this video is useful, please like and share so that YouTube will show this video to more people. If you have any questions, please ask in comment box. I'll try to reply. Thank you for watching.